This is the 8th question from Digital SAT Test 3 Module 1. Number 8, they take a sample selecting from a population and 0.49 has the characteristic. The margin of error is 0.4. What's margin of error mean? That means it could be 0.04 below, it could be 0.04 above. So in other words, their best estimate is that it's between 0.45 and 0.53. That's why answer choice A is correct. You got to take that 0.04, add and subtract it from the 0.49 to get the range. See the following video, including why the wrong answer is wrong. Check us out on YouTube. Go to IB Masters Learning Center, go to the playlists, and then the longer videos. When you go to the playlist, find the test and module number. Longer videos just above these shorter videos. Have a great day.